Welcome to Modern Psychology. In today's video, we will be discussing the neuroscience of memory and how understanding this can lead to hacks for learning and retention. Memory is a complex process that involves various brain regions and neurotransmitters, and by understanding how these work together, we can find ways to optimize our ability to learn and remember information. The basics of memory is the ability to encode, store, and retrieve information. There are three main types of memory: sensory memory, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Sensory memory refers to the brief storage of sensory information, such as visual or auditory stimuli. Short-term memory refers to the temporary storage of information, which lasts for seconds to minutes. Long-term memory refers to the storage of information that can last for days, weeks, or even a lifetime. The neuroscience of memory is a complex process that involves various brain regions and neurotransmitters. Some of the key brain regions involved in memory include the hippocampus, amygdala, and prefrontal cortex. The hippocampus is involved in the encoding and retrieval of declarative memory, which refers to conscious memories of facts and events. The amygdala is involved in the encoding and retrieval of emotional memories, while the prefrontal cortex is involved in working memory and executive functions. Neurotransmitters such as acetylcholine and dopamine also play a role in memory. Acetylcholine is involved in the encoding and consolidation of new memories, while dopamine is involved in the reinforcement of learning and memory. Hacks for learning and retention. By understanding the neuroscience of memory, we can find ways to optimize our ability to learn and remember information. Some hacks for learning and retention include: practice active learning. Active learning involves engaging with the material, rather than passively reading or listening to it. This can involve taking notes, asking questions, and summarizing the information in your own words. Use repetition. Repetition can help to reinforce learning and memory. This can involve rereading material, reviewing notes, or using flashcards. Use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are memory aids that can help to encode information in a way that is easier to remember. Some examples include acronyms, rhymes, and visual associations. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for memory consolidation, as it allows the brain to process and store information. Exercise regularly. Exercise has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function by increasing blood flow and oxygen to the brain. Manage stress. Stress can interfere with learning and memory, so it's important to find ways to manage stress, such as through mindfulness, meditation, or exercise. Applications of memory hacks. Memory hacks can be applied in a variety of settings, from education to personal and professional development. Some examples include: in education, memory hacks can be used to improve learning and retention in the classroom by providing students with tools and techniques to optimize their study habits. In the workplace, memory hacks can be used to improve productivity and job performance by helping employees to learn and remember new information more effectively. In personal development, memory hacks can be used to enhance personal growth and development by improving memory and cognitive function, and by providing tools to optimize learning and retention. In conclusion, the neuroscience of memory provides valuable insights into how we can optimize our ability to learn and remember information. By understanding the brain regions and neurotransmitters involved in memory, and by using hacks such as active learning, repetition, and mnemonic devices, we can improve our ability to encode, store, and retrieve information. By applying these hacks in various settings, we can improve our performance and productivity, and enhance our personal and professional development. Remember, memory is not just a passive process, but an active one that we can take control of and optimize for our own benefit. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative and helpful in your own learning and retention.